So hello friends, in this lesson we're going to be learning simple subtraction within the number bond of 5. We're going to learn what the symbol means and how to execute the equation every time we see it. So let's get started. So when you see this symbol, this dash, it means minus. It means subtract. And that just means take away. So you're taking away the number that is usually on the right from the number that is on the left. And the number you're taking away is usually smaller than the number on the left. This sign also means you are removing the smaller number from the bigger one, and you would find the total. So when you see this dash beside numbers or in the middle of numbers, it means take away, or it means remove the smaller number from the bigger number. Hi friends, so we're back and we are going to be looking at this equation. So when we say subtract, we mean remove. And 2 minus 1 means you're going to remove 1 from two things. So this circle here, I have 2 squares in the circle, and we're going to remove 1 square. So when we take out 1 square, how many squares do we have left? 1. Exactly. So that means that 2 minus 1 is 1. If we look at this slide, we can see that we have 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means we're going to remove 1 square from the 3 squares in this circle. So 1, 2, 3, 3 squares, and then minus 1. So we're going to remove 1. And how many squares do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2. So when you remove 1 from 3, you have 2. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Good job, guys. Alright guys, so now we have 3 minus 2. And to find that out, we have a regular circle with 1, 2, 3 squares, okay? So 3 minus 2 means we're going to remove 2 from 3. So we're going to take out 2 squares from our circle. 2. And how many squares do we have left? 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1, because when you take 2 squares out of 3 squares, you're left with 1. So here we have 4 minus 1. And 4 minus 1 means you're taking 1 out of 4. We come back to our circle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. We're going to remove 1. How many are we left with? 1, 2, 3. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Because when you take 1 out of 4, you are left with 1, 2, 3. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 means you're taking 2 away from 4. So we have 4 squares in this circle, and we're going to take out 2. 1, 2. And how many do we have left? We have 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 means we're taking 3 out of 4. We have our 4 squares here, so let's take out 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many do we have left in the circle? 1. So 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 means we're taking 1 out of 5. If we look at our circle, we have 5 squares, and we're going to take 1 out. 1. How many squares do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 5 minus 1 is 4. So let's do 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 means we're taking 2 out of 5. We have our 5 squares in our circle, and we're going to take out 2. What are we left with? We're left with 1, 2, 3 squares. So 5 minus 2 is 3. We're going to do the same thing for 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 means we're taking 3 out of 5. So let's do that with our 5 squares. 1, 2, 3. We've taken out 3 squares from our 5 squares, and we're left with 1, 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2. The final one, 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 means we're taking 4 out of 5. We have our 5 squares here, and we're going to take out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do we have left? 1. So 5 minus 4 is 1.